Nandito tayo sa isang park sa may west end ng Edmonton at naimbitahan tayo. May pupuntahan tayong isang community barbecue party by one of the member of the parliament na si Billy Morin. So tingnan natin kung mamimit natin siya. At mayroon tayong ibang mga kaibigan and friends. Kaibigan na friends pa dito. Okay. Ito yan. Billy Morin, MP, Edmonton Northwest, member of the parliament. Natin, Kevin. Kumusta? Hello po. Kumusta?
Mary po, Mary.
Okay. Yeah, pleasure to meet. Nasa father mo?
Nandun po.
Nandyan din siya? Okay. Sige. Okay. Punta kami din. Sige. Sige. Ayan. Tsahin ko. Ayan, nag-visit dito. From the Philippines. Yeah.
Hindi ko muna pansin na.
Oh. Okay. Really ba? Sige. Tala kami ito. Okay. So may mga nagbabasketball dito. Yeah. Okay. So today is a spirit of the community. Oh, yung ganda dito. Abot ko. Ayan. Siyempre, tinuturo na tayo ni Consi. Ayan, oh. Eto, kung kilala nyo to, maraming subscriber ito. Yan ang sinasabi niya. Nasa 500,000 na subscriber niyan. Sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook. Okay.
Okay.
Of course.
Tawagin mo Lito.
Kuya Lito. Alberta Chronicles.
Hello!
Ayun.
Sok de Mesa.
So ito papakalala.
Yeah.
So he's running for MLA.
MLA?
MLA or Member of Parliament. He ran before. So he's running again. He's very humble and down. So if he won, he will put more Filipino in the government.
In the government. Okay. So,
Put
This,
you a lot of good. The
this my
mother.
mom. Okay.
Miles.
Yeah.
Uy, kumain muna
And
kayo.
my aunt. Yeah. Ano.
Siya ba yung sinong dumating?
Oh, see.
Ay, kamusta po kayo? Good to see you again. Kain muna kayo. Kain muna kayo doon. Kain muna kayo.
Okay. Pakilala kita dun sa eto. Si Kuya Lito,
Hello!
author ng Alberta Chronicle. So newspaper dito. Ayan. Nagpunta po sila dito para mag-visit. Pangalawang beses na niya dito.
Nung po winter.
Saan kayo galing?
Quezon Province.
Quezon.
Quezon ako, Padre Burgos, Quezon.
Ay, nandun po kami. Ano po,
Joke lang.
para po matuloy yung construction ng TR.
Sa kuwang kami sa Padre Burgos, Quezon, sa San Isidro, papuntang Agdangan.
Okay.
Oh, pero doon ako pinanganak. Lumaki na ako sa Bicol, galing na ako sa Manila, nakasay na ako sa Laguna, may bahay na kami sa Laguna.
From Barangay Sipa,
Oh, Sipa, Hingiwin.
Parao. Yan po,
Tapos Walay
nandyan po
14.
kami.
Oh.
Nandyan po kami. Kapag po may
Marungon.
nasisirang bundok doon, nandun po kami.
Papunta kayo ng papunta ng Agdangan, Panaon. Di ba? Panaon.
It's nice outside.
Unisan.
Tama-tama lang para mag-barbecue ngayon. Sinasamantala na namin yung mainit na summer dito. Kasi after this, di winter na ulit. Balik na ulit sa malamig. Ayan. So, anong kinain mo dyan? Photo opportunity tayo with the member of the parliament, si Billy Morin. Nandito po.
Victory!
Okay. Sige, picture.
Uchi, right?
Uchi, yes.
Uchi Sok de Mesa.
Hi.
He's running for MLA.
How are you?
Oh, okay.
He's the
Pleasure
number
to
one
meet you.
blogger.
Oh, good.
He has 500,000 followers in Facebook, 500,000 followers in YouTube.
Okay. Oh, wow.
You can say hi. He's doing a content.
Say hi. Hi.
So, yeah.
Good.
All right.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here.
Oh,
Same
good.
here. My pleasure.
So where do you live?
Sherwood Park.
Sherwood Park.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
okay.
his fair auntie.
Aunt. Yeah.
Oh,
aunt.
okay. Okay. That's right. Nice to meet you. You know any of your followers that live on the north side?
Oh, okay. You live on the north side.
That's where I'm running. I'm running on the north
Okay.
side.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, if you have any of your...
Okay. I'll do. All right.
December.
Please scan to buy $10 per year UCP membership to support Okwichu. Yes, Okwichu. Okwichu.
Yes.
Yeah, for nomination for Edmonton. Here. The core. At the north side, right?
North side,
North
yeah.
side. Okay, yeah.
London Dairy area.
Okay.
And Northgate area.
Okay.
Yes.
No worries.
Yeah.
I'll put it on my social media.
Oh, that's great. That's
Yeah.
great. You know, we need to have a conservative on the table
Okay.
from Edmonton, so that we can have things attracted to Edmonton.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, my
Appreciate
friend.
it.
I appreciate
yeah,
it.
yeah. Yeah, same here.
Good.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. For sure.
It looks like you are the tallest Filipino I've seen.
That's what they always tell me, right? But you're taller than me.
Of course,
Right?
I'm taller
See?
than-
Of course. There. What's your height?
6'6.5".
6'6". I'm 6'1".
Okay. Oh, that's, at least you're 6 footer. I know that.
So do you play basketball?
I don't play basketball, but I'm a basketball parent.
Oh, okay.
All right, yes, all my children play basketball. They have played for Alberta. They have played for Canada.
Okay.
So all my kids play basketball. Yes. Hopefully, I get an NBA player among them.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
yes.
Yeah, I'm dreaming to be an NBA player way back then, but of course.
No.
I know.
So it's like, right, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, same here. Same
Big
here.
up, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Ayos. Okay, so yan. Tatakbo siya. Saan to?
Lawyer sa Pilipinas.
Ito. Ang tatakbuhan niya, Konsi?
Sino ako?
Ito?
MLA, member of
MLA din. So, member of the Legislative Assembly. Ito ang kakausapin natin mamaya, si
It's his birthday, and I'm pissed off.
Billy Morin.
He's having a barbecue.
Okay, MB yan dito. So, tumatiming lang tayo. Okay. Hi, Billy.
I'd like to be introduced to you.
Okay.
Honorable Chief Billy.
Yeah, Billy.
Oh, my honor to meet you. What was your name?
Helen.
Helen.
Yeah, from the Philippines.
And how do you know Manny?
Friend, my best friend.
Oh, hi.
Socrates. That's my name.
Socrates?
Yeah.
Like the philosopher?
The philosopher.
Oh,
Right, yeah.
Chief, and it's your husband?
Thank you.
No.
Oh,
No, 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 no.
nephew.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the number one blogger of Filipino.
Okay.
He has 500,000 followers in Facebook, 500,000 in YouTube.
Cool. Holy
can do
smokes. I need to
content.
follow this guy then.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. So my content is all about like immigration.
Okay.
So I inform my countrymen about how to come here to Canada, and then some people are having difficulties here
We're
right
gonna get him
now.
on me on his podcast or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, we should. We should. I know.
Before I go back to Ottawa.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Third week of September.
Oh yeah.
Let's like talk about the
Definitely.
school or something. Like
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And but
we'll do that.
we did the last content. How many views?
Like 200,000.
200,000.
I know.
Last what?
We did.
Yeah.
I'm just
Okay.
driving.
Views.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just drive around taking pictures.
Just arrived. No.
Passenger, I'm driving.
Okay.
And the views is
And then-
200,000. Without
What are
spending
you guys
any
doing?
money. No,
Yeah, we're just talking about the.
People who gonna send home.
Yeah. Unfortunately, right? Okay. Yeah.
But there's a lot of content that you like to share to talk about.
And what do you do?
Construction.
Construction. Okay.
Construction firm in the Philippines.
One more thing to give away, and Depending on like what the response is, because it's just about 7 o'clock. We really want to do a tug of war, teams of 5, and the winner.
Be good, right?
Team of 5, man. Michelle.
Yeah.
Just to say, which are the best?
Which are the best?
Oh,
Is
they're
it
equally the same.
burger or hot dog?
This is a veggie burger.
Oh, veggie burger. Oh, okay.
So which one?
Yeah.
All right.
Try natin yung veggie burger nila dito.
Okay,
Tingnan natin kung lasang burger talaga siya. Tapos ito, hotdog. What's veggie rin to? Hindi.
This is veggie burger.
Ah,
Normal
okay.
burger and normal.
Okay. Ah, this is normal burger.
Normal burger.
Oh, okay, normal burger pala.
Ate, anong
all right. We have another team of 5.
Alright, kasama natin si Consi ngayon. Consi, salamat sa pag-invite sa akin.
Oh, thank you
dito.
very much, brother.
At na-meet ko yung ating MP dito na si Billy Morin. Hello, how are you? Good. Alright. So yun, tumitingin siya sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Baka kilala niya ako. Okay. Ano Consi? Ano ba sa atin?
Thank you for coming, Sok, brother Sok. Actually, napakahalaga nitong pagpunta nyo, yung kasama mo yung family mo, yung parents mo, yung wife mo, ang tita mo. Minsan titingnan natin parang maliit lang na bagay ito, pero actually napakalaking bagay niya dahil unang-una yung pag-content mo kay Isa, after noon Isa, lumabas yung kanyang AOR, Acknowledgement of Receipt. So makakapag-stay na siya rito habang nagpapagamot. Then through kay Chief Billy Morin at kay Sean, sila talaga yung nagpakahirap. Bukod sa'yo, no? To spread the word, sila yung lumakad at nakiusap. Nagmakaawa, humingi ng tulong na yung isang kababayan natin ay mapagbigyan ng stay. So yung pagpunta nyo ngayon is a powerful example of showing those good people that we care about them also. Hindi yung pag may nakuha tayo sa kanila, kakalimutan na lang natin sila. So ito yung pagpapaalala sa kanila na yung mga Pilipino pala masarap tulungan. So kung tutulungan natin ng sino mang nakaupo sa gobyerno, paanong partido, independyente o katayuan niya, para pag may problema tayo, merong gagabay at tutulong sa atin, yung magmamalasakit sa atin. Malit lang naman na bagay to, sumama, mag-barbecue, pumalakpak, makapaglaro, kumain. Pero for them, this is really a big thing. And for us, this is a big thing too. So, kaya kayo po, no, suportahan nyo yung mga kagayang content creator ni Brother Sok de Mesa na patuloy na naglilingkod ng mamahal sa mga Pilipino para ipahatid yung magandang balita na masarap maging Pilipino at dapat tulungan at protektahan natin kapwa natin.
Talagang malaking pasalamat at si Esa ay nabigyan ng
It's a miracle, di ba?
yung AOR, di ba?
Kasi kung hindi, October na lang yung gamot niya. Bubalik na siya ng Pilipinas. Yung gamot niya, isang araw, $100. Saan mo kukunin yun? At magkano ang intensive care dito pagka yung status hindi maayos? 10,000 Canadian dollars every day. No? So, napakalaking pera.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Consi Manny. And doon sa mga kababayan natin na hindi nakapanood ng video namin na in-interview ko si Esa. Si Esa po ay kabayan natin dito sa Edmonton na nagkaroon po siya ng sakit. No? Malubhang sakit, nagkaroon siya ng cancer, na lay-off siya sa kanyang trabaho, tapos nawalan pa siya ng status dito sa Canada. And yun nga, through our video, malaking tulong, napanood nila tungkol kay Esa, no, lalo na si MP Billy Morin, at saka yun nga siya nakatulong, diba, sa kanya. Okay,
Okay, thank you. And God bless po. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino sa mundo.
okay, saan na tayo, Consi? Tapos na? Ayan, tapos na kami. Dito kami
Ayun,
sa...
tumulong, i-video mo.
Ha? Eto. Salamat sa mga tumulong dito. Ayan, no? Okay, kabayan natin, siyempre. Thank you. Ayun.
Nice to meet you, community.
Yeah.
Hope okay lang kayo lahat. We just finished MP Billy Morin's events.
Okay.
Madami mga Pilipino sumuporta. So salamat sa mga Pilipino. Mr. Morin is supportive to the Filipino community. So,
Okay.
mabuhay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, boss. Okay.
Thank you.
Ayos. Alright. And that's it for me today, mga kababayan. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, more tips, informations. Buhay Canada.com. I will see you, God willing, on my next video. Samahan naman kayong parati ng Panginoon sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay at magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Kamusta pala status mo ngayon in terms of sa work permit mo?
Oh, yeah. I applied po humanitarian compassionate po. But I'm still waiting po for the response or the AOR, especially the AOR. So until now, alam naman po natin na ang humanitarian, it takes
Take some time.
how many 10 years? Yeah.
Kasama po namin ngayon si Ate Esalyn Garcia.
Esa.
Esa. Ayan po. At ngayong araw na ito, kung makikita nyo naman, blooming na siya. Di ba?
Salamat,
So,
sir.
and then I'm praying na hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung iyong paggaling.
Yes.
Kasi parang nakita ko doon sa video mo eh. No? You look different now.
Yes po.
Oo, parang-
Bumalik na po yung dati
yung
kong
dati.
katawan. So, kita nyo po talagang halatang dumaan ako sa...
Oo nga.
Halatang may sakit po talaga. Critical yung condition ko that time po talaga.
So, we needed, most importantly, is yung prayer. Diba? Prayer.
Number one is the
Number
prayer.
one, prayer.
Prayer.
Yung, syempre, support ng community din.
Yes
sa,
po.
sa iyo. So, and at the same time, kailangan din natin ng kahit papaano monetary. Diba? Para masuportahan yung ating medication.
Yes.